Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can easily integrate Outlook with Notion. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you will get right here to make.com. Make.com is an amazing company that is going to help you integrate various applications and connect to various apps. So here, when you're going to sign up, you're going to be in scenarios under team. So you're going to log into your organization, you're going to create an account, and then under team, you're going to find scenarios. Then you want to go to top right and create a new scenario. And here you want to click plus here and search Notion. Click on Notion. And then let's say when I'm going to create a database item, I'm going to send it to someone, right? So I will create database item. Then you have to, already connected your account, but what you have to do is click add here, Notion public or internal, click save. And then you just have to connect it with your account and what you want to actually allow. So then allow access. And then when you're going to have it, you're going to enter database ID, and you can enter it manually or select from the list. So search, let's say I'm going to be with, I don't know what I have here, what kind of databases I have. Okay, I have it now. So, I know what you have to do. Query search like this. And you're going to add database ID. So you're going to search for it. You're going to write there your name of it. And then this is going to automatically get you database ID. And then you're going to click plus here, add another module, Outlook. And then when I'm going to get a message or create and send a message, so what needs to happen first? So let's say I'm going to get a message, right? Or create a draft message, create and send a message. Then again, you would connect it with your Microsoft 365 account. And then you're going to add a subject based on the things in Notion. So let's say subject is going to be object, and create time. Body content is going to be the URL of it, right? And then importance, and you can add simple recipients here. If you're going to have the email right here, you can easily use that too. So thank you very much. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, regards how you can connect Outlook with Notion, make.com got perfect support that you can contact. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.